In today's video, I will show you exactly how I make over $20 a day mining Bitcoin, and I will share my strategy going forward on how I plan on increasing that to $50 a day. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's go. There are many ways that you can earn Bitcoin, but in my opinion, gold mining is one of the easiest ones. So the gold mining platform allows regular people like you and me to get a share of the Bitcoin mining pie. It allows you to mine Bitcoin for a fraction of the cost of setting up your own miner at home by using these NFT miners. So the way it works is very simple. You create an account and then your next goal is to get an NFT. Right now they are giving away a free miner that you get for simply creating an account, but you want a miner that has a lot of power, so you can upgrade this miner or you can purchase or create your own. So to get your own miner, you have two options. You can literally press this button and you can create your own miner. A 1 terahash miner will cost you $14.99. The more terahashes, the more power you get, the more money it will cost you. For example, 1 terahash will earn you this amount of Bitcoin every single day, 48 satoshis. And the ROI for this miner is currently over 43%. The best thing about these miners is you get them one time and they earn Bitcoin as long as you have them. The second way to get your miner is by going over to the marketplace. This is where you'll be able to look at all the miners available for sale. Right now there are over 6,000. You can sort by different collections. You can sort by the lowest price, the highest ROI, the lowest price per terahash, all of that stuff. So for example, let's click on this miner right here and it will give you the full breakdown. For example, this miner has 6 terahashes and it costs $59, but when we do the breakdown, it will earn you $8.55 worth of Bitcoin every single month, and it will cost you $4.38 to operate. This is the maintenance cost, the electricity cost, all of that good stuff wrapped into one. So your net reward is $4.17 every single month. So the annual ROI is over 84%, which is not bad at all. So after you get your first miner, every single day the miner will earn you Bitcoin, which will go into your account. Also, the more terahashes you accumulate, the more Bitcoin you are going to earn. For example, I have 552 terahashes and I'm currently earning over $20 a day worth of Bitcoin. My efficiency is 15, and I do have a couple of other videos talking about efficiency on my channel, so make sure you check those out as well. And now let me show you how much Bitcoin I'm earning every single day with the gold mining platform. So when we click on rewards, you will see that yesterday I made $21.17 worth of Bitcoin. The day before, $21.13, then $20.84, and so on. But every single day, like clockwork, I'm getting paid from the gold mining platform. And when we slightly scroll down, you will see that I was earning $19, $18, but I kept upgrading my miners, getting more power, and I got it now to over $21. So the more I upgrade my miners, the more Bitcoin I will end up earning. And now let me show you exactly how easy it is to upgrade a miner. So we are going to upgrade this greedy machine. We are going to press upgrade. You can choose one of these upgrades from this selection, or you can press custom to select exactly how many terahashes you want. For this video, let's do 14 terahashes. And that will cost me 547 gold mining tokens. I currently have 598, and this will increase my payout for this miner from $16.87 to $17.40. Not bad at all. ROI is over 54%. And now we are simply going to press pay, and we are going to confirm. Within a matter of seconds, our miner is upgraded, and now we have even more power. And that means tomorrow we'll be earning even more Bitcoin. And now my total mining power is 566.09 terahashes. So now that you know how I'm earning over $20 a day mining Bitcoin, I'm gonna share my strategy going forward on how I plan on getting it to $50. And the strategy is very simple, and that is to upgrade my miners as much as possible. The more I upgrade my miners, the more power I will get, and the more Bitcoin I will mine daily. So when it comes to upgrading your miner, you have two choices. You can literally invest your own money to upgrade your miner, or you can use the power that you currently have to auto reinvest back into your miner. When you press your reward settings, you are going to scroll down until you see reinvestment, and when you turn this on, you'll be able to reinvest all the money that you are earning back into power. So for example, I'm going to press terahashes. It shows me exactly how much power I will be receiving every single day. So 1.71 terahashes. And best of all, it allows me to select whatever miner I want to upgrade. So this feature allows you to automatically reinvest all the profits that you are making into more power, making your miner grow faster, and this makes the entire scaling process much faster. This way the miner will be earning extra power every single day, and then I will add money on top to upgrade it even faster. Another thing that I have seen a lot of people do is use the power of the Gemini credit card to upgrade their miners even faster. As you can see, this Gemini credit card is absolutely free. There are no annual fees whatsoever, and it allows you to earn up to 4% back in crypto. And you can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, whatever coin you want. So you get 4% on gas, EV, and transit. And at the current prices, this 4% will add up quickly. 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on everything else. The way people use this strategy is very simple. Every time they use their credit card, they earn a free Bitcoin. And then once you stack up on some free Bitcoin with this credit card, you're simply going to transfer it over to your Go Mining account and use that Bitcoin to upgrade your miners to get even more power. So the three things to help me get to $50 a day is use the auto reinvest feature, invest some of my own money, and then use the free Bitcoin from the Gemini credit card to upgrade my power as well. All three at the same time, that is a formula for success. Obviously guys, Go Mining is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to invest $10 and become a millionaire overnight. It definitely takes time and patience to grow your portfolio of miners. So that is all I have for this quick video. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer, help out as much as I possibly can. If you want to join Go Mining, the link will be in the description box below. And if you want to try the Gemini credit card, make sure to use that link for that $250 bonus as well. That is all. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.